Hey guys, wanted to jump on here and show you the LOHAS 2-pack of night lights. These little night lights are fantastic. They come in a pack of 2, and I got a few of them for different rooms. So you can see that the night light doesn't actually blink, but when you get a little bit close to it and you're gonna do something with it, say pull it out or something, it will. So these are just, I mean, I love these. I'm gonna turn off the light in my hallway so you can see how they look with 2 of them in the hallway. So I've turned the light off and you can see that I have 2 of them, one here and I've got one there. I'm gonna turn out this other light I have going on here. And you can see how nicely they light up the hallway. I mean, it's just the right amount of light. Yeah, I really love these. I've also got one in the bathroom, and they're typical, right? Here's the night light, it's on, it's in the bathroom, but when I turn on the light, you can see that it goes off. They're very unobtrusive, really, really great little night light.